Do a few examples on functions again. So the directions are telling us plot the points from the functions on the coordinate grid. Write a rule or equation that shows how x and y are related mathematically. The rule is y equals x plus 2 and x is an integer varying from negative 6 to negative 1. So let's write out the equation. We have y equals, so our negative 6 would be our x plus 2. So negative 6 plus 2 equals negative 4. So our y would be negative 4. Okay, let's go to the next set. Y equals negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 3. So our y would be negative 3. Okay, let's go to the next set. We have y equals negative 4 plus 2, and that equals to negative 2. So we put negative 2 here as our new y. Okay. We have negative 3 plus 2 equals, that would equal to negative 1. So our y would be negative 1. Okay. Y equals negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. So we put the y as 0. Okay, we have y equals negative 1 plus 2, and that equals to positive 1. So our y would be 1. Now all you got to do is plot these in the coordinate grid right here. So let's first find negative 6 as our x coordinate, and we have it right here. Now we got to move, our y is negative 4, so we got to move 4 spaces down, and we plot the point right here. As you can see, it matches with the negative 4 right here. So the point, we put a point right here. Okay, our x coordinate for the next one was negative 5, and our y coordinate is negative 3, so we put the point right here. As you can see, it lines up with negative 3. Now we have negative 4 as our next x coordinate, and its y coordinate is negative 2, so we place the point right here because it lines up with negative 2 on the y coordinate. Now we go to negative 3. We put the point right here since it lines up with negative 1. It's our y coordinate. And then we our next x coordinate is negative 2. And our y coordinate would be 0, so you put the point right here, right in the middle, the origin right here. So, and then the next one would be negative 1 as our x coordinate. Negative 1, and then we have our y coordinate is 1, so we put it right here, up 1. As you can see, it lines up. So right there we plotted the points. We have right here negative 6 and negative 4 here. We have here negative 5 and negative 3. Right here we have negative 4 and negative 2. And right here we have negative 3 and negative 1. And then negative 2 and 0 is right here, and then right here we have -1 and 1. So we plotted all the points that we needed to do. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?